How to make money on YouTube without making videos. I know you're tired of searching for the correct method to make money on YouTube without making videos. It's really hard to find a real person who tells you exactly the methods that real cash cow channels experts do. Hi friends, welcome back to Cash Cow Automation. I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. You need to stick around until the end of this video because I listed secret words on different parts of this video and if you find it throughout this video. So first 5 people will be able to get 3 free classes from my side. Don't comment on the code in the comment section, just let me know on Instagram. Before starting this video, subscribe to this channel, tap all bell notifications and write done in the comment section and get a chance to win a free monetized channel every single month. Concept: making money on YouTube without making videos is too simple. You just hire cash cow managers. They do all the work and you get revenue from your videos, or you can do everything by yourself and create cash cow videos that allow you to earn some really crazy profits. The best part is that you don't need to show your face or your voice. You just need to create list-based cash cow videos. Here are some of the examples. Now, let's get started. First of all, we're going to divide this video into different steps, so you will be able to understand every step carefully. Step 1. Create a cash cow channel. Now, there is no different kind of method to create a specific cash cow channel. You just need a Gmail account to create a channel. So go to YouTube and create a new channel. Let me just set any random name. Let's say Facts Box. Step 2. Niche research. Now there are different kinds of niches available. Let's say tech, business, psychology, animals or more. Now you need to figure out the best niche to work and get quick profit as soon as possible. Here is the quick checklist for you to determine the best niche for you. Checklist of niche selection. Your niche must be evergreen. Just select a niche that solves the problem. These kinds of niches work pretty well. Your niche must have multiple sources of income. Now, you don't need to rely just on YouTube ads revenue. You can select the niche that allows you to do affiliate marketing, merchandise, etc. It must be specific. Now, you don't need to upload all kinds of videos on your one channel. Select a niche that is too specific. Let's say if you select gaming, role-playing games, and breaking down to get the best saturated topic. Now I'm going to show you how to brainstorm niche ideas. Go to Google and write about your hobbies. Click on the WikiHow website link and scroll down. Now you see there are so many indoor and outdoor hobbies you can just check one by one. Let's say UFC sports. Write it on YouTube and see how many people are working on these channels and which kind of channels we get on these topics. Step 3. Analyze your niche. Now I already gave you the checklist of niche selection, so let me just quickly tell you the best method to analyze your niche. Let's say you're interested in psychology. Just go to YouTube and write psychology, click on the filter option right there and click on channel. Now YouTube lists all the channels which are posting content related to psychology. You need to list out those channels which have large numbers of subscribers and less quantity of content. With that being said, you are able to analyze the best niche. Good luck by the way. Search out channel keywords. Now, you don't need to create a channel or psychology and start post content. First of all, you need to find out keywords. These keywords will help you boost your channel growth. It must be subjective keywords, like if you're into psychology, so your keywords will be like psychological facts, psychology tips, etc. So I hope you're getting me. If you are, please let me know in the comment section. So here's the method. You need the Vidic tool for this purpose. Later on this channel I will show you other methods as well, so consider subscribing. Go to the browser and install Vidic, then follow the steps I told you before to search out niche channels. Open any channel and now the Vidic shows you keywords for this channel. Step 5. Video ideas / keywords. Now I want you to list out almost 40 video ideas before actually going to work on your channel. The method I'm going to show you is so simple and easy to follow. Just open any of your niche related channels and click on the video section. Now just go to filters and click most popular. You will see the most popular content of this channel. Write almost 10 video ideas for your channel. By keeping following this at the end, you will be able to scratch out the best channel ideas/keywords for your channel. Step 6. Content production. Now for this part, you have two great options. Either you create content by yourself or hire cash cow managers. Now if you decide to do content by yourself, here's the quick websites that help you to write scripts, get footage for your videos, voiceover editing, and video editing. For scripts, you can use Quora forums. Go to Google and write the topic in which you want to create your first video. Let's say, how to make someone love you, Quora. By writing this, you will see the first results from Quora forums. In these forums, you will be able to get real people's experiences about this specific subject. For stock footage, let me just quickly tell you the names of different websites. Pixabay, Unsplash, Wideezy. You can use these websites to get stock content for your videos. You can use Audacity free open source software to edit audio and great voiceover. If you need a free video editor, you can hire HitFilm Express 3 or 4. It's one of the best video editors that charge you nothing. Now method number 2. Hiring cash cow managers. If you don't know who are cash cow managers, so basically they are people who handle and manage all your content. You just pay them upfront capital and they will handle scripting, voiceover, editing, and thumbnail stuff. You don't need to find freelancers and pay a huge amount for your content. Now, as far if you're interested to get cash cow managers, DM me on Instagram and I'll help you out. We've done most of the steps. It's time to upload your first video. Step 7. Upload your video with SEO. Final step. If you don't know what SEO is, SEO means search engine optimization that allows you to rank your video on the #1 first page of YouTube when someone searches for a specific topic. Let's say if someone wants to watch a video about weight loss, he will search on YouTube weight loss tips. On the other hand, you've also created a video on that, but it doesn't show on YouTube's first page. So that means this video will not get good growth. So here's the quick SEO video guide for you. Upload your video with a long tail keyword. A long tail keyword means you need to write a title according to the long tail keyword, keywords that have 3 words or more. Let's say how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So this title is the long tail keyword. Use your title long tail keyword 2 times in a description. Yes, you need to write an SEO driven description to optimize your content. Write several related keywords as well on the description. Add low competition and high search tags on your videos. You don't need to write randomly anything on tags, just write relaxed keywords on tags. If you created a video on how to lose weight, so your related keywords will be how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight fast in 1 day or more. Now finally, we learned the proper method to make money on YouTube without making videos. In this case, if you appreciate the content, please leave a like, suggest to me some other videos you want to see in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.